Hey, let me show you how to link Jira issues to each other. So, by default, you have a button on the top, which you click and it will open your menu. And here you can see different links types. So, for example, in this issue, you see we have idea, which is coming home, but also we have implemented by. So this is our project central, where you have one issue corresponds to a project, and all implementation tasks are linked as implemented by or ideas for. Another way you can link issues, for example, in our development task, we link issues to support. So in our support project, again, we have a link. For example, we look for project F and so on, and we say caused by. Of course, you can type here, and it's a very easy issue type. And then you can link one or multiple issues, for example, here, and so on. And those issues will be linked in one place, and you can easily navigate between them.